Hello, everyone. Welcome to another Road to Percona Live. Today, I'm here with Sveta, who's going to be talking with us at Percona Live in a few weeks. Hi, Sveta. How are you?
Hi, Matt. I'm doing fine. I'm waiting for Percona Live, and I just got my second BioNTech COVID vaccine shot today. So just like because Percona Live, because before that I had different vaccine which not allowed for USA.
Oh, well, good. We're glad you're going to be showing up because you have a talk. And if you didn't show up, then I'd have to give your talk, and I don't know what I would talk about. So Sveta, you're going to be presenting the MySQL Cookbook. And so what kind of recipes are you going to teach us?
It's about recipes. It's actually then Aurelia contacted me and asked me to write fourth edition. It was like challenge for me because I usually speak and I usually work as MySQL support engineers with DBAs, with database administrators. People who do not write queries, who do not call MySQL, but they tune servers and they do everything so their application team gets fast and proper response from MySQL. But this book is for application developers, for people who create application, like people who create web application, any kind of application actually. And like more than 15 years ago, before I started working for MySQL support, I worked as application developer. So I was thinking about what changed, how can I help myself 15 years ago, and I just took this challenge. And then I started to see what changed after these 15 years. And at the first, it's nothing. We still write queries. We still have APIs. That's all good old APIs with same kind of like MySQL Real Connect and like these function calls. But at the same time, a lot of change. For example, we have XDev API. We have MySQL Shell. MySQL now has JSON support. MySQL even more. MySQL understands programming languages. And if like 15 years ago, we had to use products like abstraction management like Hibernate or so, just to write queries in the same syntax as we work with objects and like we do in application. Now MySQL supports has many connectors that support the XDev API and that allow you to work with MySQL. If you want to, you can write SQL, or if you want, you can write in your programming style you like. MySQL Shell also support JavaScript and Python, and you can just have command line client, and you can query MySQL different ways. Like you can write SQL, you can write JavaScript or Python code that's works with MySQL data stored in MySQL, like with objects, or it also can combine approaches and work both with objects and both with tables.
Okay.
Another issue that's greatly changes, it's MySQL now has greatly absolutely fantastic modern SQL support. And you can do, this book is third edition, and my co-author Alkin Tizuisal, we added just like content that's new. What's new is modern MySQL. And in previous books, some like recepts were about like creating temporary tables to get summaries, or using like some sometimes not safe approaches to just get data, but otherwise you will have to create, create many temporary tables and do a lot of job. And with my favorite 8.0 feature, CTE, Common Table Expressions, you can do all of these just like very clearly, very easy. It's for me, it's like, I don't know, like it's for a MySQL support engineer, maybe that's like kind of coming out. But for me, it's like I finally started to understand how to write SQL queries.
Well, come on, you've known for a while. Maybe this just refreshed your memory, right? You've written a lot of SQL queries in your past, I'm sure.
Well, yes, but now it's like just easy. It's like you don't have to to think about. You don't think like be like I don't know, like it's just like it's very clear way to do it now.
Okay. Well, if you are coming to Percona Live, or if you're thinking about it, come on down. You can see Sveta. She's going to be talking about this. She's going to help, developers, help DBAs, help everybody write better queries and figure out some of these tips and tricks in the MySQL space. We hope you'll join us May 16th, 17th, and 18th in Austin, and you'll see both Sveta and me there.